Hello, today we are going to talk about the toolbar in ClassIn. We're looking at it from the student side. So as you may notice, you don't see a toolbar. If you are a student, you're in class and you can't see any of your tools, just ask your teacher, they'll turn it on and then it should pop up like this. This is on a desktop, obviously, so it pops up on the right. Oops, right, this right. An iPad and a phone, it's going to be different, and we'll do that in a different tutorial. Okay, let's run through these really quickly. Usually this top arrow allows you to move the screen up and down. It is disabled right now. It's just a setting that can be changed, but right now the student cannot move the screen up and down. All right, second one is the drag. You can drag items and you can also resize them. So put the cat in the tree, done. All right, number 3, the pen. You can change colors and you can change size. Here you can also choose circle, right? Square, you can do a lot of different things. This little squiggly line is how you get back to just regular pen. Right below that is the eraser. And you can just go right over it all and erase what you did. As you see, the circle is not going anywhere. Circle and text, square, anything like that, for some reason you have to select it and put it in the trash can. The teacher will help you do that if there's a problem. The teacher will probably do it anyway for you. Text tool. You can choose the size of text as well as the color. Text, and you want to erase that again, same as the, same as the circle. Select, trash. What is next? Oh, you can take a screenshot if you're in class and there's something that you want to remember. There's some good notes, something that will be helpful. You can go right to the scissors, screenshot, and click, drag what you want to take, froze my face, what you want the screenshot to be. Here it is. And we're going to move it out of the way for now. Ooh, okay. And the last thing, well, 2 more. Class notes, in case you want to take any notes. Blah, 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 blah. You can remember. All right. What's this? And the chat feature, right? Hey, teacher, I can't hear you, right? Or something like that if you need to talk to your teacher through the chat. This is also a good way to take notes if you prefer that way. So that's about it. As a student, your camera and your audio will need to be on. You can see right above me, both of those. That's how you will turn those on and off. All right, that's it. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will be here with many more ClassIn tutorials to help you. Thank you. Bye.